Yes, hello Mancy, this is Ray, and in this video we're going to go over your new website with you. This is the home page of the site, and your website is primarily an e-commerce site in order to show off and sell the clothing that you have available. So right off the bat, I have a nice special effect that goes through different images from the pictures that you gave me. And it will rotate every few seconds to a different picture. Keep in mind that everything on the website is very easy to update. So all of the content, all of the wording that you see here, all of your products, everything can be edited very easily. Once the website is moved to your domain, there's a visual editor that I install, and with that visual editor you can edit all of the pages, the products, all the pictures you see, and there are tutorials that I've prepared that will show you how everything works. So this is the home page. This is a welcome message that you can change. You can have it say whatever you like. We have the links here to the various pages of the site, your social links to Facebook, Twitter, and your email. And also, when you scroll down, you'll see all of the most recent products, all of the most recent garments that you have available. Now, I didn't know what you wanted each title to be, so I'm going to leave that up to you to change. Once the website is moved to your domain, you'll have to log in and change the names of each of these products. Right now, where it says example, this is where the name of the product will go, and then a description that you can put in for each of your items. Also, I didn't have any pricing from you, so what I did was I just put an example price on each one of these. Okay, so if we and I assumed that the products are the actual garments that are on the mannequins, because you sent me pictures of actual people wearing the clothing. I used those for various pictures and special effects throughout the website. But as far as the products, I assumed what was on the mannequins were the actual products. So if we go and, for example, if we click here, you can either add the item to your cart. When you click on add to cart, you're basically just adding the item to your shopping cart. And if you scroll up here, you'll see that your shopping cart is always right up here at the top. So as you're browsing the website and adding items, you'll see your shopping cart right up here. Now if you want to view an item, that's very simple. You just click on view details. And here you can see the actual details of the specific product. You'll notice that the background changes as you go clicking through the website on various pages. That's a nice feature I set up for you, so you can actually have a different background for each page of the website, and it just adds a nice unique touch. That way the website's not boring. As you're browsing through the various pages, you'll see a different background. Now here is where you have more details on the product. So a description can go here, for example, the materials that it's made of, any precious stones or accessories that come with the item. And then on the bottom you also have other clothing items as well. So as people are browsing looking at a specific gown, on the right hand side they see all of your other gowns as well, and then on the bottom they see your other selections that are available. Now here's a very nice feature. You can actually set each one of your products to have different related products displayed. So if you have a set of jewelry or earrings, necklace, whatever accessories that go with a particular dress such as this, you can actually set the related products for each page to be different. So if a gown comes with accessories, you should have the accessories here. Right now I just have it set to show random products from your store. And then of course on the side you have other gowns as well, and furthermore you can set this sidebar area to show different products. So you can have the sidebar area showing different items you have available, and they can be completely different than what's showing here on the bottom portion underneath the main product. Now that's valuable because right now you don't have too many products, but as your store grows and you add more and more products, there might be some products that are related to what's being currently viewed on the page, and that's why that feature comes in handy. Right now you're going to see duplicates here on the side and on the bottom simply because you don't have too many products, but as you add more, you'll notice that you can have all these items for on the bottom and the side be completely different. And then you also have a special effect here, just rotating through different pictures, just something eye-catching, and this will rotate every few seconds, and you can also add pictures to this as well yourself. You can select how many you want as far as quantity, click add to cart, and you'll get confirmation that the items have been added to your cart. Now if you look up here, every time you add an item to your cart, the website reloads and it shows your cart up here. Right now we have a grand total of $349 in our cart. We're seeing we have one of this item, product example 2, and we have 4 at this. Okay, so you can see it's very easy. If we go here to the About Arne Style page, this is just a page that I set up where you can enter in some information about your company. Good page to kind of introduce yourself to the website visitor. You can see again the background is different on this page, and you'll be able to update the content on this page. And again, this page should just have some information about your company and your products, and then it ends on the bottom with a catalog of everything you have to offer. And again, there's tutorials that'll show you how you can use the visual editor that I've installed so that you can very easily edit this page. We also have a Contact Us page. Contact Us page is pretty self-explanatory, just a simple contact form. If anybody has any questions, they can complete this form and send you an email. Now if we go here to checkout and we go to cart, everything is operational right now. My PayPal information is on the website, but I did that simply for testing purposes. I need you to provide me with your PayPal email address, and as soon as I plug that in, you're ready to take orders. But if you look here, this is the checkout page. You're getting a summary of what's in your cart. If you have a coupon, which in this case I've entered in a coupon called Grand, which gives you 50% off of your total. This is for a grand opening special, for example. You can set up coupons using the visual editor. So logging in as the manager of the store, you can set up as many coupons as you want, and these coupons can either give a percentage or a dollar amount off the total items on the cart. So for example, if you want to do a friends and family discount or a Christmas discount, or in this case I did a grand opening discount, I typed in the word grand here and it gave me 50% off. So now my total is $174.97, and it says coupon code applied successfully. Very easy to set up these coupons. You can set up as many as you want. Now you can either continue shopping or you can go ahead and proceed to checkout. Right now I have the website set to free shipping. You can toggle it between free shipping, flat rate shipping, whether you want to charge, for example, $10 flat rate shipping for any order, or you can do shipping based by weight. So depending on how large the order, the shipping varies. You'll have to set that up. I'll provide you instructions in a tutorial how to do that, but I'm going to leave that up to you. But you have several shipping options, from free, flat fee, to based by weight. Very easy to switch back and forth between those. Now, if you're a returning customer, and this is very helpful for repeat visitors, you can click here and log in with a previously set up username and password. And not only will all of this information automatically populate, it'll show you all of your previous orders. That's very helpful in case returning customers want to come and maybe order something they ordered before, or they just want to look at what they've ordered in the past, maybe print up a receipt. They can always come to your website, log in, print up any old receipts that they might have, and they can also do that by logging into my account. So here you would basically just go ahead and type in your shipping information. I'll go ahead and put that in just for testing purposes. So I'm going to fill this out right now. So now I've entered that information in. I will go ahead and fill in this last piece of information. Now I can either have the items as a customer shipped to the billing address, or I can designate a separate shipping address. That way when you get the order in your email, you'll know where to ship it to. Maybe somebody's ordering it as a gift and they want it shipped somewhere else. So I've given your customers that option. They can put any special notes here to you as part of their order. They can review their order. I have many different options. We can do direct bank transfer, check payment, or I recommend just plug in your PayPal account and you can accept all major credit cards, debit cards, and people don't have to be a PayPal member. They can pay even if they're not a member. And I think we discussed that you're going to go with this option. And you simply click on place order. Now it's processing the order, and you'll see that now it has taken me to the final page for checkout. Again, right now it's showing my business information here because I've used my PayPal to test your website. Everything's working perfectly. As soon as I plug in your PayPal details, it will be directed to your PayPal account. You're going to see a summary of your order, the discount. And look, if you have a PayPal account, great, you can log in and just pay with your PayPal. Or if your customer would rather just pay with any debit or credit card and bypass PayPal, they can click there and just pay with any debit or credit card. And this is truly the best option for you. And once their order is placed, they will, let's go ahead and cancel and return back. Once their order is placed, you'll get a receipt in your email, a copy of what the order was. They'll get a receipt in their email. And your website stores all of the information, so a customer can come back, print up old receipts, look at what they've ordered in the past. You can log into your website and see all of your customer orders for the day, the week, the month, the year. You can pull up old customer records. So it's a full, complete e-commerce store, and as you can see, it's ready to take orders. And all I need from you is the domain information it's going to be moved to. If you'd like any changes that you'd like to see on the website, please email me. I'll be glad to fine-tune this website as you see fit. But based on your items that you have available, this is truly a very unique and elegant design, but also very professional. I researched a lot of other websites, and I can honestly say I took the best out of the ones that I thought were great looking sites, and I incorporated it in your site. One of the features I really like, again, is the fact that the backgrounds can be different for every single page. Just kind of keeps things fresh. As the person's going through your website, they see a different background for each page. It's very easy for you to change that as often as you want. I have some very nice special effects like this animation that lets you either simply add an item to your cart or view the details of an item. And all of these special features make your website very professional, but also the cosmetic touches make it very eye-catching. As you can see on this page, again, different background. So every page has a different background. Thank you so much for your patience, and I look forward to your feedback.